We is back, y'all.
We're back, y'all. It's Ninja. We're feeling festive. We are dropping not 1, not 2, but 8 eyeshadow palettes. These beautiful babies are called Snap Shadows.
You can take 2, you just line them up like this and snap them together. And I love it because you can build your own perfect pair, right? So we have 3 neutral palettes. We got some shimmery, we got some smoky, we got some pastel. Girl, you was not ready for what's about to drop.
I wasn't. Let's get started. You ready?
I'm so ready because, girl, we're drinking one of my favorites today, that cognac. Pull it up.
I've actually never had this.
I'm gonna pray for you.
It smells so good.
Comment what time you think it is that we're taking these shots.
Cheers. I'm gonna dive straight into number 1, which is the true neutrals. And they're really easy, everyday colors. There's a few matte, there's a few shimmers, but my favorite one, you know, is this one. It's called Velvet Cuffs. Shall we just dig into the swatch?
This is actually cumin Cadet, and this one I like. It was in our Moroccan Spice palette, and I like to use that on this like outer crease joint, you know, edge area. It just gives me a nice little subtle smoke. It's good for my day to day.
I like to use this last one, Affogato. Because this is, you could almost use as like an eyeliner.
As we all know, Nanette is a swatch queen, and mine are always gonna look like this. So take it or leave it.
You get progressively better as we keep drinking.
Next.
Ready? Oh, let's do it like this.
Snap them together for me, sis. Do the honors.
1 and 2. I'm gonna put it like a little sandwich.
This is cool neutrals. So cute. This one I like because honestly, it has a little more pops of color. So like you got this purple here. This pink is a little bit more pinker than the last palette. This one defines me right here. Because her name is Upper Class.
That's her name.
I'm an upper class beauty. I gotta swatch this for you and show you what it looks like on me.
Okay, so right now, this one, this gorgeous purple shade is called Hey Auntie. Okay, but this one is one of my favorite shades. It's called Risky Riches. I just think it's so wearable and looks beautiful on it.
Girl, we got the riches.
Yeah.
We got access to Fenty Beauty, so we got the riches.
We got friendship. That's what really makes you rich.
That is so sweet for the holidays. Holiday heart. Time for another shot.
We are just blowing through this bottle, girl.
We haven't done this in such a long time. I'm so excited to be sitting here.
Oh, I think I poured a little too much on that one.
Yeah, let it sit.
Okay.
It's all over my taste buds. Welcome to palette number 3. This is the deep neutral. This is one shade that I just love because the name is Shots Fired. The only shots we take is shots and swatches.
I love swatching these because they are seriously so creamy.
It's creamy, but it's not like so creamy that like your eye, when you lift your eyelid up, it sticks together. Right. It's like it dries to a nice soft powder finish. So nobody got time for sticking eyes.
My swatches are not looking so good out.
Dang, I hate to do it. I knew it was gonna be on this finger. But look at that pigment.
You know, we really just chose colors that look good on everyone. Like, can you see this looking bad on anyone? I don't think so.
Do you like me swatching it showing like that?
I love it. Yeah, you can really see the swatches this way.
That is cute. We'll use you the honors of pour my shot, then place it in my hand. Okay, look, I got it balanced.
This is turning out crazy.
Cheers.
Cheers. Just a little.
She's done.
Oh my. You know, I thought it tasted good earlier, but now it's just getting a little bit.
It's not getting better. It's not getting better. That was a good one.
I love number 4 because it's our rose palette. It's all the pinks, 3 mattes, 3 shimmers, so it's the perfect balance. But this one I like because it's called Stunt Queen. It's like shimmery. I like how it's a little bit more red undertones.
I just have to say I really like Diva Fever.
Oh, how
Diva Fever. Somebody called me a diva before.
I disagree with that.
That's right, I'm not a diva.
I feel like when you say something, you said what you said, and you'll stand by it.
Thank you. That is so sweet. You know what? She's feeling really cheerful for the holidays and really loving.
Man, this cognac's really making me sappy.
Like,
let's just dive in. Okay, and now I'm gonna swatch. It's called Spice Trip, and it may look familiar because it was in our Moroccan Spice palette, and we love this so much we had to bring it back.
We're coming to my favorite, but this one right here, look at that glitter, honey.
It's glittery.
Cheers. Snap, snap, snap. Next to the next. Snap, snap, snap. Next to the next. Don't stop. Snap them palettes. Let me see you do the burn. I wanna run. Hey! Number 5, she's peachy. Which one is your favorite?
I really love this color churro, not just because of the name, because you know this loves to eat. I'm a sucker for a good gold shimmer.
I'm a sucker for a churro, so I know I like that. Okay, let's swatch them.
Ooh, this one's butter rum, which reminds me of my dog, so I love this one.
Oh, cause butter. I like the way these feel. Like I can't talk about enough. The texture is just so smooth and like creamy. This one, you see those gold? Do y'all see the gold
think they see
sparkles?
I think
this is Bellini Baby at the top right there.
You will never forget that one's Bellini.
I'm about to throw them both.
Okay, moving on.
Shots fired and shots up.
Boom. Smoky.
Boom.
It's got this beautiful like black shade. You know, if you really want to smoke it out, make it a liner.
Her name is You Up. Y'all all know when you get them texts. You up. Do you answer? You ever answer when somebody texts you up?
Yeah, I mean I text you all the time. Are you up?
She's second date. Oh. Let's watch them. Can we just talk about this girl though? Cause like she looks different on you than she does on me.
She does.
Her second date. This is like your man don't know what you about to come for with that second date because it got a little blue hints into it. With that gold sparkle on the top.
Mine looks a little cooler. It's more of like blue. I can almost see purple undertones in yours, but mine is like blue, gray, dark gray.
Oh my God, this is called patty cakes right here. Patty cake, make it shake. Patty cake. She likes to pour. I get a little tipsy.
Now, is this like a new song or?
I made it up right now. Cheers. Oh God.
There.
I broke my nail.
Oh, what a convenient nail.
In honor of this next palette, Cadet. This palette is inspired by the one and only bad gal, Riri. I love this palette because the colors actually really do remind me of like that army fatigue look. Let me tell y'all, this one is a surprise for you because that glitter sparkle that pops out, girl, she pops. Camouflage. This is how you know the shots get realer and realer and realer and realer. I'm camouflaging in my eyeshadow because I'm hiding from. Okay, I really just want to dive in and swatch them. Girl, you gotta see. She Salute is the next one. She's like a mustardy.
I love mustard. I really love this one because it's called Good Cookie. You know, I love a food-based name, and it's a beautiful coppery brown, also very wearable.
I'm still stuck on Money Mission because that has that white sparkle thing going on there. Snap it together. Like get it together, snap it together.
Okay, we are
so many snap puns.
Snapping it together, 7-8, just to demonstrate. There we go. We're moving on to palette 8, which is the Pastel Frost palette, and you can see why. It's all pastel shimmer colors, so this is just one that we had so much fun with.
Okay, let's show you.
Let's just buckle.
We going into that. Ladies is pimps too. Go on, brush your shoulders off. Don't forget Jay-Z told you get that. Dirt off your shoulders.
So pretty. This is like the ocean.
Yeah, this is that dirty denim.
This is such a beautiful like eyeliner, I think, this dirty denim.
I'm gonna just take this and just... Oh yeah, actually I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad.
Oh, that's pretty. I've never seen you wear such a bright like pastel color like that.
Okay, I'm a little aggressive, but...
I like that a lot. This is Pastel Frost, number 8. Get it while you can because this was limited edition. We are gonna make our own looks using these Snap Shadow palettes. Cheers.
Whoa.
I'm gonna do deep neutrals and rose.
So I'm doing cool neutrals, number 2. Number 6, Smoky.
And of course, we couldn't launch our Snap Shadow palettes without some new brushes.
Girl,
so we got
you almost let me forget.
Too many shots, too many shots.
I'm gonna just be real with y'all, like, you know.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna just wing it. That's what I'm saying. So I'm just being extra and I'm keeping my snaps so y'all can know that I'm using 2 and 6. So when I'm using 2, you're gonna see 2. When I'm using 6, you're gonna see 6.
I'm starting off with a deep neutrals palette just to kind of get that nice matte neutral base. And you know, one thing I really learned is you put on some eyeshadow color and you're like, oh. But all you gotta do is take a brush and just keep blending it. And if you just keep blending it, it's gonna fix everything.
I'm starting to wipe it up. And I'm just kind of giving that's gonna be like my base. Dang, then I almost done her eye and I'm just on step 1. I'm switching to palette 6, Smoky.
Switching already, wow.
That's the fun part about this palette, these snappable palettes, is that you can just kind of jump around, do what you want. I'm hopping into chestnut and it's so pigmented. I mean, look at the brush. And I'm gonna just start smoking my thing out right here. And I'm just making her slightly smoky. Okay, and when I said slight, I meant severely smoky.
And now I'm using Shots Fired. It's a deeper color. It's on the outer corners.
I'm gonna use Getting Toasty. She's this girl here. I'm gonna transition right here. It's looking real dark. I am a little tipsy.
I am still on my 2nd neutral shade.
I love your eyes though. Every time you wear eyeshadow, I'm not kidding. You be pulling it off, girl. Okay, now I'm gonna take that deep, the darkest, because now I'm about to like literally intensify it. So just pray.
Ooh, I want to mix it up and go into the rose palette, number 4. Add some glitter, add some shimmer. There's just so many beautiful pinks, and I'm just gonna see where this takes me. So I am using Sugar Shock, and I just love it. So beautiful. Wow.
Yes.
Yes. Maybe I'll try a little bit of Diva Fever in honor of you. Just right in the center for a little extra glitter.
I think I'm gonna mix Upper Class and Patty Cakes. I can't lie, when I blend this, I feel like this is about to hit. This is so fun though. My palettes are snapped together and I just switch side to side. Let me see you. Yep.
Ooh, look at you. I have never seen you wear such a smoky eye and I am loving it.
I'm gonna get on my lower lash line too. How about that?
Uh-huh.
I'm going somewhere tonight.
Where are you going?
I would say to go see my man, but.
But I think I'm ready for eyeliner. It's hard to talk.
I'm like barely touching my eye and the eyeliner's just hitting my eye perfectly.
It's even harder because we've been drinking.
Look it. She is here. Okay, I'm gonna use Gloss Bomb and Fussy. What are you gonna use?
I'm gonna use Gloss Bomb and Cheeky. I'm feeling good.
Girl, so where should we go? Should we we should close out with one shot.
Cool, cheers.
Happy holidays. Don't forget to actually go pick up our Snap palette.
Yep, get it in store. It's available tomorrow.
Available tomorrow. 8 different palettes. Get your looks right, honey. You can go neutral, you can go smoky, you can go pastel, you can go shimmery, you can go glittery, you can go
I recommend getting a neutral and then a more fun color one like the smoky or the pastel. But you know, you do what you want. Customize your little palette, your mix and match.
Tag us in your looks.
Tag at Fenty Beauty. We want to see what y'all doing. And we out.
We out.